In primetime news this evening, government assures beneficiaries funds are available for payout under the Roofs program. Water shortage likely in communities served by hurricane-damaged catchment areas. And tour drivers say they're being squeezed out of the market by ride-sharing drivers. Good evening and welcome to this abbreviated edition of Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Now, later in business news, oil prices are going up. There's also sports and sports commentary in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.